Hey guys, Joshua here from Flight. Today I'm in the back of my truck. I've got an ARE canopy on this truck that I bought used. And the only thing that it didn't have that I needed was a sliding front window. My truck has a sliding fifth window, and my plan is to have the pets in the back of the truck, but I want to have the window for the canopy as well, and I'm gonna pump some air conditioning back here for them. That's the plan at least. But in order to do that, I gotta have that sliding window, and it came with a solid front window. So I ordered the window from ARE. Took quite a while to get here, actually, but it's here, and we're gonna take this one out, put the new one in, and it should be pretty simple. It looks like it's just 1/4-inch hex screws all the way around this trim piece, and then the window should pop out. I'm hoping that I can get the window out and the new one in without moving the canopy off the bed. I may have to loosen the canopy, push it back a foot or so to be able to get the window, because the window seems like it comes in from the outside and then attaches. So let's get started. Nope. We're gonna have to move the canopy back just a little bit to get that window out so we can slide the new one in. So let's go ahead and loosen all these clamps. Alright, we're gonna hold this window so it doesn't fall. And then we're just gonna kind of lift it up. And slide it. And slide it. There we go. There we go. All right, so now we got the new window, the one with the slider. So we'll be able to pass through the cab into the bed. And then I've got a 12-volt fan I'm going to mount. The idea is it's going to suck the air conditioning or the heat from the cab into the bed, keep the pets nice and comfortable. We'll see how it works. That's the theory, at least. Hey, I want to interrupt and take a quick moment to say, if you're into DIY, which I think you are because you're watching this video, I invite you to come check out our DIY group over on Facebook, DIYers, Tinkers, Fixers, and Makers. I'll put a link in the description box below. Enjoy. Well, so there it is, all installed. We replaced the solid window with a slider. They also fold down, which is nice because you can clean them. It really is just taking those sheet metal screws out, popping the window out, put the new one in. The hardest part was getting it lined up, because the fiberglass is not tight to this window. You've got about a 1/2 inch all the way around of weather stripping for you to play with it. And so maybe having a second person to help you align that and then get it, but when you can get that tight to hold itself, that might be helpful. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and share with someone else who might be interested in doing this. Until next time, take care.